Guys, something unbelievable has happened. Last night, at 2 a.m. at night, because of course it was 2 a.m. at night, Mr. Microwave died, guys. It's so sad. But...
Wait, you're calling the dead microwave Mr. Microwave?
Well, okay, this isn't actually Mr. Microwave, this is just my microwave. Mr. Microwave is a different microwave.
Yeah, he
But-
has eyes and a mustache.
Yeah. But... so sad that this microwave is dead. It's completely died. You've seen this in like a community post once, I think. It, like last night at like 2 a.m.
You haven't even made a video you showing the microwave, and now you're
Shush,
showing
Max.
it.
Max, shut up. Alright. It's so sad, guys. So sad. Because, now we have to use a trashy microwave that we got from our shed because we kept it for some reason. It's super trash and rusty. Because the microwave broke. Alright, don't worry guys, this isn't actually like Mr. Microwave, the character. But our microwave broke, guys. This is the only Panasonic one we have too. The other one's like a crappy Kmart brand one. But guys, this doesn't have to be a bad thing though. Because although my microwave, who isn't Mr. Microwave but like kind of looks like him, is dead, there's actually a silver lining, guys. There's a silver lining because we've got a new character to add to the Joey Plays Some Games roster. That's right, it's Trashy the Microwave. That's our new microwave, our new old microwave that we got from the shed, and is like, you can't see it in this picture, but it's literally on the top of it, it's literally rusted. Like, I'm not even joking. Somehow it turns on. Yee! Trashy the Microwave. New character alert, guys. New character. Yeah. Woo. Yee! So now we've got a new guy. Yeah, look at that. Yay! Yay! Alright, guys. Silver lining. Everything has a silver lining when you're with the Joey Plays Some Games channel. Isn't that right, Trashy? Yeah! Alright, I don't know how to end. I never know how to end videos. Jesus. Okay, bye.